Grace and me are having a pillow fight. Hey guys, so wait, you guys, I just dropped Rachel off at her parents' place because she's going to a funeral tomorrow. It's gonna be fun. I have to work, which is sad. I don't get to stay, but that's okay. So it's gonna be challenging today, saying bye to the kids and themselves. So I just dropped them off, so I'm just heading home, and then I'm gonna pick them up on Wednesday. So that is what's going on. It's gonna be quiet at the house, so that's what's going on, you guys.
Keep going. Oh, are you out of breath? All done? Did you film that?
Guys, this is my first attempt to try and make cheesy rice. So yeah, it's gonna be fun and exciting to try the very first time making cheesy rice. There's the cheesy rice, looks so good. Oh, I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. Good night.